Hey guys, it's Rhonda coming to you live today with a tip that I wanted to share about getting more views. Let me just make sure that I am live in our group. Give me 1 second. Okay. All right, we're all set. So anyways, I haven't seen this a lot lately. And I have to say, one of the biggest questions that I do get is how to get more views on your posts when you post, right? So I'm just going to give you one simple tip today because I've been noticing this a lot when I go on Facebook lately. So as you can see, I have my page shared here on this screen, and I'm going to go to it. I'm going to go down to my posts just so you can see. So this I posted about 6 hours ago. Right now it has 113 likes, 97 comments. Some of those comments are mine. I'm going to be clear. Go to my post a couple days ago, see 448 on likes and hearts and 266 comments. And then before that, this one had 324, 220 comments so far. So anyways, what is the secret to getting these views? There's a bunch of things, I'm not going to lie, there is a bunch of things that go into it. However, one of the most important things to do, and this is so simple, and anybody can do it, and it will definitely help get your views up. So as I've been going to people's posts and commenting on them, a lot of times I've been noticing what people are doing is they're just putting one comment. They'll be like, thank you, everybody. And that's it, like to everybody that commented on their posts, whether it's 5, 10, 15, 20, it doesn't matter, right? So anyways, that is definitely going to keep your views down. So if you want to get your views up, the one simple way to do that is to individually answer anybody that comments on your posts. And if somebody comments on your posts, go back to their page and like and comment on their post, because that keeps it going. It's going to keep your posts going up in the Facebook algorithm so that more people keep seeing them. Now, as you reply to each individual comment on your posts, you don't want to do that all at once. So if you have 5 comments, you want to reply to maybe 2. Okay, reply to 2. An hour or 2 later, come back. You'll probably have more then, because when you responded to those 2, now it showed more action on your post, right? So it's going to boost that up again in the Facebook algorithm for people that are coming on. So every hour or 2, go back and reply on a couple more of those comments individually. So that is the key. Individually reply to everybody on that, okay? Super important, because that's going to keep your posts going so that Facebook can see that this is getting a lot of attraction. People are interested in what this person has to say. So they're going to push your post out more, right? Now, if you are somebody who is maybe getting a little, maybe you have 40, 50 comments or something, yeah, it can get tedious, right? When you start getting up there, that's where automation comes into play. So I do use some automation on some of my posts. I'm going to be 100% transparent. We get into these online businesses because we want to have time freedom, right? And if we're constantly on social media, then that's taking away our time freedom, right? So once you start getting more and more and more, one thing I learned along the way, which wasn't told to me at first, is that a lot of top marketers, they use all these automation tools. They do. So there are tools that have monthly fees. There's tools that are expensive, and then there's tools that are inexpensive or free that you can use. So I do have some tools available. You know me, I like to keep things simple, low cost, or free. That's my motto, because I believe that everybody should be able to afford and be able to do these things and have success online. So that's one of my goals, is to always seek things out that allow that for everybody to do. So anyways, I'll put a link in the comment, the first comment below this video. If you want to take a look at the tool library that I use, you don't have to use it. If you have your own tools that you love and use, that's free, but that go right ahead and use those. But I'm just saying that is the key. Once you do start getting up there and getting more likes and more comments, automation is extremely helpful. So it'll keep you going, and it's going to help build up your personal brand, help build up that know, like, and trust factor, which is extremely important, right? But anyways, that is my one key tip today, is make sure that you are commenting individually to every single person that comments on all of your posts, and go back to your posts that you posted a couple days ago. If you don't see them in your notifications, sometimes I know my notifications are just, all out of whack. So go back to those posts, because other people probably commented on there, and now you can comment to them again. Okay, so that keeps all of your posts, going and being boosted up in that Facebook algorithm. So that's my one big tip of the day. And it's become the reason I decided to do that is because I've been seeing a lot of people not doing that lately. They're just taking the lazy way out. It's what I like to say. And they're just putting one blank comment on their post that, covers everybody, like, oh, thank you, everybody. Oh, here's my link, everybody, if you want to, take a look at it, instead of replying to everybody and treating everybody like a person. Okay, so I hope that helps. If you like these tips, let me know. I'm also working. I have a couple people lined up to do some guest interviews in this group, so super excited about that. And if you are seeing this video somewhere else, because I'll probably repost it and repurpose this content, any links or whatever I'm talking about will be below this video. So thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you soon.